Have some more authority. Otherwise, you are telling me what am I doing, what I don't do. 40 people died. 40 people are dead.
Pondicherry right now, as people are trying to enter this spot, and you can see that we are being not walking inside but being pushed inside to this particular place by fans, and looks like this situation is going to continue over here as well. This is at Puducherry where Vijay is supposed to speak by 10:30 a.m. to 12:30 a.m. is the time that has been 12:30 p.m. is the time that's been given over here, but you can still see the confusion and commotion at this spot. This is what they were supposed to block, but it looks like when it comes to Tamaraga Vechi Kadagam, police officials are still there, but they are finding it very difficult. After the unfortunate Karur tragedy where 41 people died, only at Kanchipuram there was an internal meeting, after which he is coming over here at Puducherry where he's going to meet the people, for which you can see that the fans and carers are over here. The actual limit that's been given is only 5,000, and they are supposed to have a QR code, but you can see that how the fans who wants to meet him are being pushed and they're going inside along. And in fact, we were standing near the gate, but we were pushed inside, and here these are the fans. The same kind of frenzy still continues, and they are actually pushing us into this particular place. I can also show you the kind of protection given over here, and this is a QR code which a person has to carry, and only then they will be allowed inside. So that kind of protection is being given, all because this is the first open arena rally after the unfortunate Karur tragedy. And once again, police are trying to control the crowd over here, and there you see those are the policemen who are trying to control the crowd as the crowd is trying to jump over the fences that has been placed over here to enter the spot. This is at Oppalam ground, which is at Puducherry, where the pass has been given for 5,000, and one by one they are leaving and entering the spot. This is actually a medical bay, so people are not allowed to be over here. Vijay's entry, that's the point, and you could see the police vehicles are entering over here. Today, between 10 to 12 is the kind of time frame that has been given for Vijay to speak over. There you see the vehicles are coming in. Vijay is also entering the spot, and fans over here at Puducherry. Very clearly, police have said that only 5,000 people are allowed over here, and the box have been made. All kind of security systems have been made. In fact, this is the first event after the unfortunate Karur tragedy where Vijay is going to have an open ground event, because in Tamil Nadu he could only have such an event inside a closed auditorium, that too with only 2,500 people allowed. Those are the fans who are running towards the spot over there, because the Vijay's Tamaraga Vechi Kadagam campaign vehicle is also there. Definitely not safe, completely not safe. They could have opened the gate and allowed the people to go, but what they're trying to do is that they are just made to jump over the fence, and you could see men, women, children, all are trying to do that. This is not at all safe, but still people are trying to do, because that is the only way they can go ahead and see Vijay, right? That's what they are here for, and this is the fan carers, everybody from Tamaraga Vechi Kadagam, and mostly fans who have come over here from probably from college as well, and they're trying to enter the spot, trying to jump over the fence. Definitely not safe. I repeat, this is not at all safe, but they are trying to do that. All here, only 5,000 people are supposed to allow, but it looks like the crowd has begun to swell, and that's why crowd has come over here as well, and one after the other they are trying to jump over the fence. This is not safe at all. There are volunteers who could have actually opened the gate, but you could see even the volunteers are trying to stop them, but it's not working. This is something volunteers here should have taken care of, but you see now women and children are trying to actually go over there, climb atop this place, all to go and see Vijay. This is something they should have handled well, at least. No, this should be a part of the SOP, but there you see all crazy fans absolutely not worrying about any kind of issues over here, and even police had to interfere and stop them from jumping over the fence. Ready? And now And now Vijay, the leader of Tamil Nadu Vechi Kazhagam, has come over here with the same campaign bus. And what is happening is that the fans are going into an absolute frenzy. In fact, before this, it was Busi Anand and Adav Arjuna who consecutively said that after a 72 days break, Vijay has come over here, and they actually complained that no such kind of security was provided in Tamil Nadu, and they also assured that soon a massive rallies will be conducted by Vijay, and this is at Puducherry, where the fans are absolutely crazy. Even one fan is being carried on the shoulder of someone else. That is the kind of like craziness that you see over here for Vijay. He actually thanked the Puducherry government. He also said that unlike the DMK government in Tamil Nadu, here their actual support has been given, and he actually targeted the DMK government, claiming that the Tamil Nadu government should learn from Puducherry government, and he also assured that actually here Vijay will raise his voice for the people of Puducherry. Especially he spoke about the statehood for Puducherry, and these are the fans who are dancing over here, and he claimed that there are several issues. As Puducherry being a union territory, it needs actually tourist spot, it needs funds, and the main important aspect is that as there are actually several issues, since Puducherry does not have a statehood, it is not able to be self-reliant, and that is why they claimed that Vijay will raise his voice. And these are the fans over here who've been waiting for Vijay, and they have met everybody. How are you feeling after meeting Vijay here? Vijay CM for Puducherry. Tamil Nadu, not Puducherry. What do you want for Puducherry?
Puducherry, the lion of King Vijay, one and only Vijay.
Do you want Vijay to be CM for Puducherry?
Vijay the next CM, confirm.
Not Rangasamy. Rangasamy?
Rangasamy Kootani.
To alliance. People are slowly leaving from the spot after listening to Vijay, who has promised to raise his voice for the people of Puducherry as well. With Irfan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.